A day that started with the sounds of celebration. The victory of UGA's back-to-back national championships ended with events only captured in silence. Cars speeding down the streets of Athens. Wreckage that leaves no mystery to the force that killed Devin, Willock, and Chandler, LeCroy. Even the surveillance video inside Toppers, a downtown nightclub, less than an hour before the crash, is devoid of their sounds of laughter.
Families were hurt, people were lost, and a community mourned.
But a lawsuit filed on behalf of Devin Willock's father believes each video says plenty. Willock's legal team hasn't seen the surveillance video inside Toppers, but the lawsuit already paints a picture of what happened inside. Attorney Kevin Epps, who represents the club, says the lawsuit has it wrong.
You've damaged our reputation. You've made some very serious allegations to our people. Here's the video. Take a look at it.
Epps released this unedited video to 11 Alive to see for ourselves. 6 camera angles showing the hour and 20 minutes LeCroy, Willock, and several other UGA football players and staff were inside.
The way that they wrote this lawsuit is that you have some type of bottle popping, shots taking, celebration for the national championship that day that was completely out of control.
See a big party.
Yeah, a huge party.
In the video, we focused on LeCroy, the woman behind the wheel in the deadly crash. The autopsy reports her blood alcohol level was more than twice the legal limit. We know she purchased 1 drink, likely 2, maybe even took a shot. There are times when the view of LeCroy is completely blocked, about 38 minutes in all. But we reviewed footage of each bar in the club and didn't see her go back. We've asked Toppers for receipts to better understand what she ordered. The bar says it is still trying to track that down. What are her mannerisms like in that video?
Not an intoxicated individual. She is talking coherently. She is walking throughout the club with no assistance from anyone else.
The impact of those drinks will be up to attorneys to argue. While there are people in the video who appear to have had too much to drink, the lawsuit admits LeCroy wasn't visibly drunk. Still, it claims if the bartenders had been properly trained, they would have known, refused to serve, and stopped her from driving. Another lawsuit on behalf of Tori Bowles, a UGA staffer who survived the crash, states the drinking started earlier in the day, something Toppers would never know.
If you look to the other lawsuit and they give you a total picture of what happened that day, you can see where the alcohol was consumed.
And it wasn't just at Toppers. Bowles was there when LeCroy bought this drink. And if this is a second one, she was still around to notice. Still, her lawsuit states she had no basis to believe LeCroy was impaired by alcohol when she got into the car.
We're not going to bring him back. We're not going to take the injuries away. We're not going to stop what happened that evening.